So hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are back again with another video. It is Broken Link Hijacking. We will see what is Broken Link Hijacking, then we will see how to exploit it, and I will give you some amazing resources related to this. So let's get into the video. Now first of all, what is Broken Link Hijacking? So first of all, let's go to a blog, thecyberboy.com. Here I recently uploaded a blog on what is Broken Link Hijacking. This one. Now okay, so first of all, wait for a bit. Wait for this page to completely load. The image is not loading. No worries. So what is Broken Link Hijacking? It's an online cybercrime committed through the use of web spam. It's a practice in which hackers attempt to redirect traffic to their own website, typically by abusing hyperlinks on the website with the purpose of gaining profit. So Broken Link is technically using a link which is already expired of a company and using it for malicious purposes. For instance, if users see a favorite company website has error 404 after clicking on broken link, they may let believe this site does not exist. But another URL indicated by the hacker. This practice mostly used by hackers to trick people into clicking on advertisement and steal information or sensitive information from their victims. It's simple. It's very simple. You just use 404 websites for your own profit. It's that simple, and it's very easy to find. I will show you some POCs. Okay, you can read all this complete blog. I will also mention this blog in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Now, second thing, how you can find them or something else about Broken Link Hijacking. So we will go to portseeker.net. So let's go to the portseeker.net. So here, how you can discover broken links. So you can just read this whole blog, and it's very easy. Literally, it's very easy to find Broken Link Hijacking. It's just a simple process like this one. You can simply find broken link and just use it for your own purpose. Okay, so it's not that popular, but yes, it's a very common bug. You can find it in many websites. Now we will see how to exploit Broken Link Hijacking. So let's go to my blog, and here is how to exploit Broken Link Hijacking. Open this link in new tab. This is how broken links can be exploited. You can read this. I will mention this in the description. I don't think it's something to explain. It's literally very simple. If you read this blog, only like this blog, you will find you will learn everything about Broken Link Hijacking. Okay, it's very simple. Now, how can we find broken link automatically? How to find actually? If you want to find manually or find with some other tricks, then you can go to Portseeker. There is also some tools available in the Burp Suite App Store. But yes, you can find it manually too. I will also mention the link in the description. So now you can find broken link by this method, or I will give you a tool through which you can find broken links. Okay, as I will show you the POC video, you will be 100% sure that what is Broken Link Hijacking when I show you the POC. So this is the tool which is used to check broken links. This is the tool. This is the usage guide. You can just install it using the npm. Okay, then this is how to use the tool. It's very simple to install the tool and use it. And I will also mention the installation guide of this tool, so you can do it properly by yourself. Now let me show you the POC video. First of all, we will see the POC, then we will see the video. So here is a POC of developer.twitter.com. And here you can see the description. A link is on this website was broken and anyone could create that account, which lead to account impersonate. The bounty was almost $280 and the severity is high. And yes, the severity is high, so you can achieve a bounty of maybe high value like $1,000 or more than that. So it depends on the treasure. Okay, so how to reproduce this step? Go to this website, scroll down to JavaScript and click on the Hunter Lacro. Create GitHub username with the Hunter Lacro. When someone visit and scroll down to the Hunter Lacro, they will be redirected to the attacker's account. So it's simple. It is another similar report. Let's open this. It's opening. Let's wait for it. I don't know, my net is slow. Why? So GitLab is vulnerable to impersonate attacks, which is basically broken links. Okay. So vulnerable, lot of possible attacks can be carried out with broken external links, as noted in GitHub post. So this is a particular example. I am personating Ricardo, who is designing GitLab back in 2011. Sorry. So the POC is go to this website, and the Ricardo is hyperlinked to the GitHub account. Well, somewhere between 21 and 27, he decided to delete his profile, which means our original target Ricardo has deleted his account, but the link is still present on this website. Okay, on this website. So now what we can do is we can create an account named Ricardo, and yes, this is the impersonate attack. When anyone click on the link, then he will redirect it to our account which we made in the name of Ricardo. So we can do a little bit of phishing attack and any other thing which is malicious. Okay, so Ricardo is back with malicious URL that has been shortened using bit.ly. Shortening the link hide its maliciousness. So in conclusion, I have taken over an embedded link inside GitLab domain. Please let me know if you have any question. Okay, so it's simple. Now in the last thing, you will have some doubts which will be cleared by the POC video. Let me share the POC video. The POC video is here. Now see the complete video. So you can see that whenever he clicks on Hunter Lacro, they will get redirected to github.com, which is 404. The page you are looking for is not found. Okay, so this is where you can find something like something malicious. Now what he is doing is going to his GitHub account, opening his settings. He is creating his account as in the name of Hunter Lacro. He changed his username to Hunter Lacro. And now whenever someone goes to the older link, this one, and click on Hunter Lacro, he will get redirected to our attacker's ID. You can see here he just changed his name. Now this is the attacker account. Okay, so this is what is broken link hijacking. I will also mention the video in the description or in my blog. So, and this is the real account, but the account we will see this was an attack. So it's very simple. Okay, I will also mention this link in the description so you can learn a lot about it. So this is for the video. Thanks for watching. And now this is my blog, cyberboy.com. You can go to this blog and you will learn a lot of things here. And if you want to join workshops and learn live, then you have to go to the workshop section and you will see our latest workshop here. So it's opening. Wait a bit. So here are our workshop section. What is a workshop? The students trained. And this is the workshop. This is bug bounty workshop with complete process. And now it's already ended. The registration has closed for this workshop. Okay, it's starting on 20 November to 25 November. So the workshop is closed. If you want to see the recordings, then just click on this number. You will be redirected to our chat section. You will be redirected to our customer care support, and you can chat with them and ask for recordings, and you will get recordings at I think 99 rupees price. So it's very cheap and you will get a complete recording. So this is for the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.